Maria Socorro Cancio Ramos, born on September 23, 1923, is a Filipino businesswoman. She is the co-founder of the National Bookstore, the largest bookstore chain in the Philippines. Socorro Ramos began her career in publishing and retail as a sales girl in a bookshop. With the capital of 200 pesos, she and her husband launched National Bookstore in Escolta at the age of 19. Selling books and school supplies to children, National Bookstore made books affordable, especially when Presidential Decree 285 allowed the local reprinting of textbooks used by students in college. With that, we were able to sell college algebra books that would only sell 300 pesos when imported for only 75 pesos when we reprinted these. The brand name of National Bookstore was thought of by Socorro Ramos, one of the co-founders. No marketing research was conducted and was done on Ramos' impulse, taking the bookstore name from the National Cash Register machine, a brand that was popular at that time of the bookstore's founding. We aim to make Filipinos love books and we shall develop readers by making books more accessible to the people who need them the most. Our purpose is to serve our customers with tools that enrich their minds and improve skills to ensure their success. This is one of the many inspirational quotes of Socorro Cancio Ramos, also known as Nanay Coring, the chairman and founder of National Bookstore, the country's biggest bookstore chain.